Exercise 3.7 is based on HCF and LCM. If we have any confusion when to find HCF and when to find LCM, we will see some clue words. Clue words are: if the words maximum, biggest, longest are given, then we will find highest common factor. But the value of HCF is always smaller than the given numbers because it is a factor that is common. Again, I am telling you, for maximum value, biggest value, longest, this type of words are given, then we will find highest common factor. But highest common factor will always be the number which is smaller than the given numbers. And to find LCM, the clue words are minimum, least, smallest. Then we will find least common multiple. But the value of LCM is always greater than the given numbers because LCM is the multiple that is common. So for the clue words minimum, least, smallest, we will find LCM, but the answer or the value of LCM will always be the number which is greater than the given numbers. In the trick, LCM is always greater than the given numbers. Think deeply whether we want to find a greater number or the smaller number. Now we'll start exercise 3.7. Question number 1 is: Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizers of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of fertilizers exact number of times. So the value of given weights 75 kg and 69 kg. And the clue word maximum is given. So when the word maximum is given, we will find HCF. But the value of HCF, here answer is 3. The value of HCF is always less than the given numbers 75 kg and 69 kg. What does it mean? Here 2 weights of fertilizers are given to you. We want to find the value of weight which can measure the given fertilizers in exact number of times. If we weight 75 kg and 69 kg with 1 kilogram weight, answer will be 0. We can measure 75 kg with 1 kg, 69 kg with 1 kg, and there will be no remainder. If we measure 75 kg and 69 kg with 2 kilogram of weight, then here 1 kilogram will left, here also 1 kilogram will left, as these two numbers are odd numbers. So instead of checking all the weights, we will find the HCF of given 2 numbers. So to find the maximum value of the weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizers exact number of times, we will find the HCF of both the weights, that is HCF of 75 kg and 69 kg. Here I have used long division method to find HCF. You can use another method also. So 75 divided by 69, remainder is 6. Remainder will become divisor and the previous divisor will become quotient. 6 ones are 6, 9, 6 ones are 6. Remainder is 3. Then remainder will become divisor and the previous divisor will become quotient. 3 2s are 6. So the HCF is, last divisor will be the HCF. Here HCF is 3. So the required value of weight is 3 kilogram. Thank you.